So today I'm on my way to Central in Hong Kong and I'm about to try some Chinese food that's on a whole nother level. So I'm here at the super elegant Mott 32, and when it comes to Chinese cuisine, these guys are smashing it. They have some incredible signature dishes like smoked blackened cod, 42-day-old Peking duck, and braised eggplant with minced pork and chili. Look at this, the food's arrived, and right here, it's got to be one of my favorite clay pot dishes, braised eggplant with minced pork and chili. Look at that, glistening, beautiful, shiny. The savouriness of that and the meltingly tenderness of that aubergine. The pork is lovely and tender. You can really get the flavour of the wok hei, the guo wei, the smokiness from the wok. Pure heaven. All the dishes at Mott 32 were outstanding, but one dish stood out and it was the pork mince with aubergine. It had bags of flavour. I'm going to show you how to make my fish fragrant pork stuffed aubergine. So I've got here baby aubergines. What I need to do is just slice them down the middle, drizzle over some rapeseed oil, sea salt, ground white pepper, fire up a really hot griddle pan, lay them flat side down, grill them for 1 to 2 minutes until they're nice and soft. I've got here 100 grams of lean pork mince, and I'm going to add in some minced halibut, a little bit of salt, ground white pepper, 1 egg white, and then just give that a good mix. Now I'm going to season this with Lee Kum Kee's premium oyster sauce, toasted sesame oil, spring onion, corn flour. Good mix. So let's check on the aubergines and see how they're doing. Look at that, beautiful grill lines. Give them another minute on the underside. Now it's time to stuff them. And then just slice each one down the middle. Just take a teaspoon, just stuff each aubergine with the pork mince. Keep going until you've done all the aubergines. So ready for the fryer. Some sunflower oil. I'm gonna heat to 180 degrees. Put them in, meat side down. And these will cook in no time. Look at that bubbling away and it smells incredible. Just gonna check on one of them. Look at that. That is beautiful. These are ready. I'm gonna take them off the heat and then just strain them on some kitchen paper. Gorgeous and golden. It's time to plate up. Chives and some black sesame seeds. I'm going to serve it with some Lee Kum Kee's Oriental sesame dressing. It's salty, it's sesame, it's spicy. That's it. That's my fish fragrant pork stuffed aubergines.